In 2018, Stanford academics Dr. Nicholas Kokolis and Dr. Cheng Diaofan saw a problem. Crypto was too complex and exclusive. They asked, what if anyone, anywhere, could join the digital money revolution with just a phone? That question sparked the creation of Pi Network, a mission to make crypto accessible for all. On March 14, 2019, Pi Day, the app launched, letting anyone mine Pi by simply tapping a button daily. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi was designed for everyday people, aiming to build a massive, inclusive community. Growth was explosive, from a handful of users to millions, all called pioneers, united by a shared vision. By late 2023, over 47 million pioneers were tapping that button, fueling a quiet revolution. Now, in December 2025, the dream is about to become reality. Years of building and testing have led to this moment, a global community on the verge of launching a real, tradable currency. From a Stanford idea to a worldwide movement, Pi's story is just beginning. The most exciting chapter is about to unfold. Reaching the open network wasn't easy, but together we crushed every milestone. First, KYC verification. The goal was 15 million verified pioneers. We soared past it to 19 million. Next, mainnet migration. Over 10.14 million pioneers moved their Pi to secure wallets, proving our community's commitment. The third challenge, building a real ecosystem. The target was 100 mainnet-ready apps, and developers worldwide delivered. From games to marketplaces, Pi's ecosystem now boasts over 100 apps, creating real utility before launch. All this happened during the enclosed mainnet phase, a protected period to get everything right. It was our final rehearsal, millions verified, coins migrated, apps tested. Because we hit every target, the core team confirmed it, we're ready. The firewall is coming down. The world is about to meet Pi. Every milestone was a community effort. We didn't just meet expectations, we set new standards. Launch day is here because of us, because of... On February 20th, 2025, at 8:00 AM UTC, Pi Network opens to the world. The biggest change external connectivity. Pi's blockchain will finally link to other blockchains and systems. This means Pi can be listed on crypto exchanges. Your mined Pi becomes tradable for Bitcoin, dollars, or euros. Pi's value will be set by the open market, just like any other asset. Decentralization also arrives. Anyone can run a node, making the network more secure and community-driven. Thousands of independent computers will validate transactions, ensuring no single group controls Pi. The launch is Pi's graduation. No more training wheels. Pi becomes a fully functional cryptocurrency, ready for global finance. With new opportunities come new challenges, volatility, responsibility, and excitement. Pioneers must be ready for the adventure ahead. The world is watching. The next era of Pi begins now. With launch approaching, it's time to get your Pi ready. First, complete your KYC verification. No KYC, no mainnet migration. Open the Pi app, follow the KYC steps, and get approved. Next, migrate your Pi to your mainnet wallet via the Pi browser. Safeguard your passphrase. It's your only access. Only Pi in your mainnet wallet will be tradable at launch. Explore the Pi ecosystem. Try out apps, make transactions, and help build real utility. Every transaction strengthens Pi's economy and future value. Stay alert for scams. Ignore unofficial sites, exchanges, or anyone asking for your passphrase. Only use the official Pi app and Pi browser. Help others in the community complete KYC and migration. The more active and secure we are, the stronger Pi becomes. Be vigilant, be engaged, and get ready. The future of your Pi depends on it. Mining Pi feels like magic, but it's powered by smart tech. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-hungry proof of work, Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, efficient and mobile-friendly. Security comes from trust. You build a security circle of people you know, creating a global trust graph. This web validates transactions without wasting energy. Pioneers play different roles: basic miners, contributors, with security circles, ambassadors, inviting new users, and node operators. Each role strengthens the network and earns rewards. After launch, anyone can run a node, making Pi even more decentralized. It's a system built on people, not just machines. Everyone has a part to play in Pi's success. That's the real magic behind your coins. When Pi becomes tradable, everyone asks, what's it worth? Pi's supply is capped at 100 billion coins, much higher than Bitcoin's 21 million. This means Pi is designed for mass adoption, not scarcity. Not all coins are available at once. As of October 2025, about 8.24 billion Pi are circulating. Price is based on circulating supply, not the total. Early projections saw Pi launch at 184, spike to 291, then drop below 0.30 by October. Typical crypto volatility. Don't expect a straight line up. Swings are normal. For Pi's price to rise and stay high, real demand and utility are essential. Focus on using Pi, not just watching the price. The true value comes from community activity, not speculation. Our actions shape Pi's future. Build, use, and grow the network for lasting value. A currency's strength is its community. PiFest 2024 proved this. In 160 countries, shops accepted Pi for real goods and services. Nearly 1 million pioneers and 27,000 businesses joined in, showing Pi's real-world utility. People bought meals, clothes, and services, all with Pi. This wasn't just hype. It was proof Pi works as money. The core team focused on building an economy, not just a token. The goal: a circular economy where Pi is earned, spent, and recirculated. Every transaction builds value beyond exchanges. The future of Pi depends on real use, not just price. PiFest was just the start. Now it's up to us. As Pi gains value, scammers get bolder. Protect yourself. Never share your wallet passphrase. Ever. No one from Pi will ask for it. Beware of fake websites and social media accounts mimicking Pi or its founders. Only use the official Pi app and Pi browser. Ignore unofficial exchanges. Until Pi is officially listed, all others are scams. Don't trust anyone offering KYC or wallet help outside the app. All official processes happen in the Pi app. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay skeptical, stay safe. Protect your Pi and help others do the same. Your vigilance keeps the network strong. The open network launch isn't the end. It's the beginning. The future of Pi is in our hands, not just the core teams. Keep mining, but also dive into the Pi ecosystem. Use apps, spend Pi, and give feedback. If you run a business, consider accepting Pi. Real-world use drives value. Help friends and family complete KYC and migration. Share accurate info and warn about scams. Our network grows person to person. Education and security matter. Remind others, Pi is a long-term project, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Now is the time to build, create, trade, and innovate with Pi. The vision of a decentralized, people-powered currency is within reach. The future isn't just to watch, it's ours to build. Let's get to work. The next chapter starts now.